Achieve financial freedom. Hi champions, I'm Dr. Meghna Dikshit, author of You Matter, and I'm so excited to welcome you to our channel. Here we dive deep into the limitless potential of your mind and your brain. Together we unlock the secrets to success, help you heal from the past and prepare for an extraordinary future. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe the button and ring that notification bell. And for our committed viewers, very warm welcome to all of you. Your journey to mastering your life begins here. Since you're here, do not miss out on the 2 links that are posted in the caption that are going to help you immensely. You can achieve more by clicking on the first link to join my live seminar completely free for you. Learn how to train your brain strategically and unlock your full potential to achieve all your goals. Second is to get my book, You Matter. Start your personal growth journey with me today by purchasing the book and taking the first step towards transformation. 70% of my students come for my programs wanting to create financial freedom for themselves and their families. What does financial freedom mean? Financial freedom means having enough savings, investments, cash on hand to be able to afford the lifestyle you want for yourself and your family. For many of us, it's a struggle. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? I used to be the same, always counting the monies in my account, budgeting, planning where to cut the corner, what to buy and what not to buy. Every time I would get the bill, I would be worried. This went on for many years until I started my journey into healing my traumas. Here is what I learned in this journey. We all have a money blueprint. That blueprint determines how much money we attract in our life. Are we born with this money blueprint? Not really. But we develop it in our childhood. As children, we observe our adults, how they behave with money. What are the conversations about money? What are the experiences with regards to money? I will share here a case study with you. This person came for our program to learn techniques to overcome financial debts. His backstory was that he came from a rich zamindari family. He was the youngest child and very close to his mother. His father was an abusive man and would regularly abuse his wife. Now this child grew up watching his father abuse the mother. There was no dearth of riches, but the belief he formed was no amount of money can make my mother happy. Because he loved his mother a lot. As a child, he could not protect his mother from his father's abuse. The helplessness he felt got converted into deep anger towards money. This led him to consistently create debts in his life. He would make money and then squander it all away. This became his pattern. Did you get what I'm saying? We all have these money beliefs and these patterns. In my advanced program, I do a separate 3-day workshop dedicated to money. There I teach my students to identify 40 money beliefs. What are some of your family money stories? This requires deeper work on yourself. But today I'm sharing a simple yet powerful daily habit that can help you to transform your financial life. So let's dive in. Get your pen and paper and begin. First is the problem with traditional financial advice. We've all been told to budget, save and invest. But let's be real, it's not that easy. Traditional financial advice often focuses on cutting expenses, but that's not sustainable. We need a mindset shift to achieve financial freedom. My mantra is focus on increasing the income. Because no matter what, how much ever you cut your expenses, you cannot cut more than 10%. Second is the power of daily financial discipline. The key to financial freedom is daily discipline. By incorporating a simple habit into your daily routine, you can develop a wealth mindset and make progress towards your goals. So what is this daily habit? The daily habit is called the 5-minute money review. Each day, take 5 minutes to review your finances, track your expenses and set financial goals. This habit helps you stay aware of your spending. Make conscious decisions and align your finances with your values. Like I shared earlier, I used to struggle with financial stress. But after implementing this habit, I noticed a significant shift. I became more mindful of my spending, started saving more, and even paid off debt. It's not rocket science, but it works. What are some of the benefits of the 5-minute money review? By practicing the 5-minute money review daily, you will experience numerous benefits, including 1. Reduce financial stress. 2. Increase savings. 3. Improve financial awareness. 4. Better decision making. And 5th, a clear path to financial freedom. So, how to implement the 5-minute money review? To make this habit stick, schedule it in your daily planner. Set reminders on your phone or use a budgeting app. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or taking a shower. Overcoming obstacles and staying motivated on this journey is extremely critical. Remember, developing a daily habit takes time and effort. Don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a day or two. Celebrate your small wins and find accountability with a friend or family member. But most important, identify your money beliefs. The real shift happens in our subconscious. So get a mentor and work on your fears, patterns, and thoughts. Make that shift in your money blueprint. Financial freedom is within reach. So share your progress in the comments below and let's support each other on this journey to financial freedom. If you like the video, do not forget to share it with someone you really love.